In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an image from Figma. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can follow along in your own Figma file. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so you can quickly export any design element you need as an image. First, start by opening Figma in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged in. On your main dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects or design files. Go ahead and click on the project that contains the design you want to export. This will open up the Figma canvas where you can see all of your frames, components, and layers. Once your project is open, select the specific element you want to export. This could be a frame, a group of layers, an icon, or a headline. Just click directly on it in the canvas or select it from the Layers panel on the left. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline around it. With your element selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is the Properties panel, where Figma shows options like Design, Prototype, and Inspect. Scroll down in this panel until you see the section labeled Export. It's usually toward the bottom. If you don't see it right away, make sure your layer is still selected, because the export options only show up when an object is active. In the Export section, click on the little plus icon or the text that says Export. This will expand the export options for your selected element.